Hello everyone. Welcome back to Commerce Classes Standard 12th. Let's continue with our next topic of chapter number 5, that is importance of staffing function. In modern times, the importance of staffing has increased much more, as in modern times more industries have been developed on a large scale and machines in the organization can increase the production, but employees are the one to operate them and give even better results than machine. So success of any business unit depends much on staff, and so staffing is very important and essential, as it is only the living factor of production. That's why it is said that any organization without staff is like a mere skeleton. That means if you have seen skeleton of a human body, there is no flesh in it. Same way, if the organization is without staff, it's just like a skeleton, because without staff, activities cannot be performed in any organization or business unit. To perform the activities, there is a need of staff. So, any organization without staff is like a mere skeleton. That means organization will just be a structure, nothing more than that, if there is no staff. And it is said that employees cannot be considered as a physical resources because they are the living factor of production. They have feelings, emotions, self-respect, understanding, intelligence, and different skills. That's why expert has rightly said that mind your men, men will mind everything for you. Here men means staff. That means if business unit takes proper care of the staff, then staff is satisfied and gives the best services to the business unit. So it is rightly said that mind your men, men will mind everything for you. That means business unit can achieve the targets or the goals if their staff is satisfied with management. Now let's study importance of staffing. First point is driving force. Content and efficient staff is the driving force of an organization. That means efficient staff and satisfied staff. Content means satisfied. Satisfied staff are the strength of any organization. Only efficient staff can make possible to accomplish the targets or the goals of business unit along with other factors of production. So, staff is the driving force to achieve the goals of the business unit. Second, dynamic activity. Because of staffing, there is possibility to get new ideas to develop and expand the business and perform all the activities. So, staffing is a dynamic activity. That means getting new ideas to develop your business. Third point, important for other functions of management. Without staffing, rest all managerial functions like planning, organizing, directing, controlling cannot succeed. Staffing is the most important factor of production. Fourth point, limbs of business enterprise. Limbs means hands and the legs. As in our body, our brain do the intellectual activities, but to implement it, all the functions or the activities are to be performed by hands and legs. Similarly, staffing plays the role of limbs. That means staffing is the limbs of business enterprise, because without staffing, any activity cannot be performed. So, staffing does the work to perform the activities. So, staffing is called the limbs of business enterprise. Fifth point, job satisfaction among staff. As in staff, proper recruitment, selection and training process is done, and if any complaint and problem is seen, then it is easily solved due to the staffing process. And as the problems are solved, staff have the feeling of job satisfaction. Sixth point, harmony in relations. Due to staffing, right person is given right job, due to which employees are satisfied with their work given to them, and so they maintain the cordial relations. So, it is said that cordial relations are established due to staffing. So, harmony in relations is maintained. Seventh, increase the prestige of organization. Because of efficient staffing, goodwill and the prestige of organization increase. Eighth point, continuous process. Staffing is a continuous process as staffing exists from beginning till end of the organization, as without staff no work can be performed. So staffing is a continuous process at staff is required from the beginning or the establishment of the organization till the end of organization. So as long as the organization will exist, staffing will also exist. So it is called a continuous process. So here we are done with the 8 importance of staffing. Go through the topic, revise it thoroughly. Thank you.